Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro, and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find Digital Wellbeing and Parental controls. Now let's tap on Show Your Data, and as you can see here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. So you can check that I've been using it for above 1 hour and 4 minutes, and how much time I've spent on particular apps. We've got also unlocks and notifications count. We can tap either on particular app, for example settings, and we will see the weekly graphs connected only to the settings, so how much we've been using it in particular days. Or if we will tap in the middle of this graph, we can be transferred to the weekly graphs of the whole screen time. We can change it to the notifications received and times opened, and under it you've got specified for how long you've been using particular apps. So for example settings for 45 minutes, phone for 7 minutes, and so on and so on. So that's quite a cool option. Under it you've got ways to disconnect, so it means that if you need the time for yourself, like the bedtime, or you need to focus or work, then you can set particular modes, for example focus mode, and here you are able to mark the apps from which you receive the most notifications, the largest amount of notifications, and then you can set a schedule of that mode and turn it on, so your device will limit the notifications from the distracting apps. So this is also quite cool options. Here you've got reduce interruptions, so you can manage notifications here or enter default do not disturb mode. So actually this is it. This is how to check total screen time in your Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.